Hello guys again and welcome back to another unboxing, reviewing and testing of this Parkside Grout pen, 2 to 4 millimeters, 7 ml, and this is a white for touching up wall and floor grouting in the kitchen and bathroom. Quick drying and permanent covered, slide fast, low odor, waterproof and smear proof. Oh, let's open it to see what we can do with that. You need to shake it first. Inside we've got already a replacement. Shake it, push, and do your job. Well, let's try to our tiles to see how it goes. Now there we are. You need to push a little bit until the paint will come out, and then you can see. Nice. Nice results. You can see the old one and this is the new one painted white. You can see the differences. Well, if you need something like that, it costs about €2. And you can see the results are great. It's doing a great job. And of course, if you've got some dirt in your tile, that will be a very good solution. To clean them by painting. And the results are great. And you know how hard it is to replace this or paint it with a small paintbrush. This is the better way. Well guys, that was all about. Thank you again for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like what you like my videos, your choice. Share this video, you never know who may need it, and hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.